Filter One Manufacturing, a leader in the decontamination booth or blow-off booth market with custom sizes and custom features. Filter One 2-man decontamination booth with a 12-foot by 4-foot footprint. This unit utilizes enough space for 2 workers to be inside and decontaminated at once. It has 2 air knives on the wall and 2 air knives on the ceiling, each air knife moving 10,000 feet per minute to clean off the employees' clothing. The employees will open the door and go into the decontamination booth. At that time, they will turn the lights on, they will close the door, and then they will turn the blower of the unit on. The blower will take about 20 seconds to ramp up before opening the air knife. Once the air knives are open, the high velocity of air that will hit the workers will remove the dust from the workers' clothing at a high rate of speed, much quicker than vacuuming off an employee, which is done in most plants. The dust is downdrafted through a cartridge, self-cleaning cartridge system, and then through HEPA after filters to catch any kind of hazardous type dust. The employees are quickly cleaned off in this decontamination booth. Once the employee is finished, they can turn off the bob and exit the unit. If they do not turn the bob off, once they open the door, the air knives are shut off, and then the bob will turn off in 5 minutes on its own. Once again, the Filter One Decontamination Booth 2-man bob.